In this video, we are replacing a drive shaft on a Ford F-150 from 2013 to 2014. Let's unbox this drive shaft. Display of this drive shaft. Detail view of both end joints. Tools used for removing and installing the F-150 drive shaft. Large 12mm socket, large short extension bar, large telescopic ratchet wrench, large torque wrench, pry bar. Lift the vehicle. Use a marker to point the balance weight on the drive shaft. Mark it along the drive shaft flange. Use a large 12mm socket, large short extension bar, paired with a large telescopic ratchet wrench. Remove the drive shaft mounting bolts. Remove 4 mounting bolts. Use a pry bar to assist in removing the drive shaft. Pull the drive shaft out toward the rear side. Install the new drive shaft. Align with the mounting holes. Insert the front shaft of the drive shaft into the transfer case. Locate the balance weight on the drive shaft. Align it with the mark we made earlier. Align the holes. Insert the mounting bolts. Use a large 12mm socket, large short extension bar paired with a large torque wrench. Tighten the connection bolts between the drive shaft and rear differential. Then tighten the drive shaft. Flange bolts, step by step. Apply torque to the bolts. The tightening torque is 103 Nm. Tighten in a crisscross pattern. Lower the vehicle.